What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BBIG for Vinco Ventures. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We've talked about the stock regularly on the channel in the past. What I want to point out today is a couple of things. Firstly, we're stuck in an area of balance. Obviously, we went from the low end all the way up to the high end on today's session, and that was accompanied with an increase in volume, okay? Whenever we see an increase in volume, that should immediately have your radar saying, okay, it's time to pay attention, right? If we see follow through, more volume to the upside on tomorrow's session, this could easily be a breakout slash I hate using the word, but squeeze catalyst to the upside getting closer to about 430, right? That's the next structural level coming from. If I scrunch up the chart, prior support flipping to resistance right there, a little bit of contention in here as well. So that's the first target. Also the daily 200 SMA, the green line on the chart, and anything above that, $5 even certainly is on the radar. Has to be high volume though. If the volume isn't there, don't look for the breakout. Let's take a closer look at the 30-minute time frame, see how today's price action actually unfolded. We'll come in with the Fibonacci's. From the low of today's session, here's the 930 bar, up to the first high. Notice that these two bars of green consolidation were well above the 38.2. Fantastic. Let's come on in this time from the low all the way up to the true high of day, basically. And where's your 38.2 here? It's definitely splitting through the midpoint, but notice that the 50% did offer support on that pullback there. Obviously, you know, when you were making this high, it's not like the 38.2 was really in play anyways. So as of right now, bullish close, right? Everything about this is looking fairly bullish. As long as we consolidate somewhere up here, north of 340, I think we get bull flag consolidation. And if the volume wants to support it, again, we're looking for breakouts of that daily range to get us into 430. Just to give you an idea of what would be acceptable for volume, we've got to at least have 5 million shares per 30-minute bar sustained. It can't just be like the opening bar is 5 million and then we drop off to like, 1 to 1.5 million, somewhere in there. It's got to be sustained buying pressure, big volume up and over 5 million shares per 30-minute bar for multiple bars in a row. Otherwise, I don't think the momentum will be there. You'll know as well, right? If the speed of the tape is really fast, that's more likely to lend itself to a breakout. If it's really slow and lethargic, probably going to get more chop. Something like this could be in store. Again, look for that 38.2 support, close to $3.40. Anything underneath that, I would just watch out for another rotation to the bottom end of the range, more ping pong back and forth on the daily. And then when and if the volume eventually comes, then we'll get the breakout. So that's what I've got for you inside of BBIG. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.